All persons arriving from China or any country that has a major outbreak is advised, if they have no symptoms at all, to self-isolate, meaning that they stay indoors in their homes for at least 2 weeks. And if they develop any symptoms like cough, catarrh, sneezing, breathing difficulties within this period, to report to the nearest health facility. We're also advising all airlines to report any case of a passenger falling sick on board before the plane lands. That is a requirement in the agreement. Nigeria Port Health Services and Nigeria Center for Disease Control are on alert at our airports and other points of entry.
Make una sabi say this ogbonge informate wey come meet una so na T Live Media and I bring am come give una. And to get more of this ogbonge informate, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Like and follow us on top Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for T Live Media. Una fit log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.